And our correspondent Idris Loan was at the Jama Masjid, where a protest rally was taken out by senior separatist leaders Yasin Malik and Mirwais Umar Farooq after Friday prayers. Thousands of people joined the rally, shouting slogans in downtown Srinagar.
I'm right now standing at the historical Jama Masjid area of Srinagar. This was the last Friday of the holy month of Ramzan, and what you're seeing behind me is a protest rally that has been taken out by senior separatist leader Yasin Malik, as well as the Hurriyat Conference chief Mirwais Umar Farooq. They have joined hands together in the Jama Masjid area, where they offered the prayers for the first time in the month of Ramadan together. And what we're seeing is thousands of people have joined this rally and are taking out this rally in the downtown area of Srinagar, shouting slogans. And inside the mosque, what we saw that Mirwais Umar Farooq outrightly rejected any measures that were taken by the central government at this point of time. But on the other hand, we saw some soft corner by senior separatist leader Yasin Malik. You can see yourself how many supporters are protesting out in this area of downtown at this point of time. It's only after the Friday prayers. We just left. 1 day is left for the Eid, and everybody in this area seems to be out, numbering in thousands, taking out this protest rally with Yasin Malik and Mirwais Umar Farooq. With video journalist Ejaz Ahmed in downtown Srinagar, Idris Loan, News X.